Hi, it's Darnell at Whale and Recipes, and today I'm going to be dehydrating pineapples in the Kalorik MAXX air fryer oven grill. And we'll see how it does with dehydration. So let's get cooking right now. Okay, so here I have some pineapple chunks that I cut myself from a whole fresh pineapple. So this isn't like canned stuff. But I just basically cut off some chunks here, and you see about how much there is there. I didn't measure or weigh it or anything like that. But when you're dehydrating with this cooker, the first thing you're supposed to do is take what they call this dehydrator rack, and you're supposed to put it on the very top of the cooker, like way up high here. So you slide that in way up high. Now here in the air fry basket, you see I have some parchment paper because I don't want the fluids from the pineapple dripping down onto the heating elements on the bottom or anything and making cleaning a real pain, because you know pineapple can be real sticky. So it takes a little bit of a effort just to slide it in here, but you're supposed to slide it in on this rack level just under the dehydrator rack. So there it is. Once you get it in, it slides in easy. It just seems like at first this is kind of like some little notches or something that are hard to get beyond. But we've got the dehydrator rack, we got the air fry basket there with the pineapples in it. So you close up. Now I'm going to get the cooker basically woke up there and going to hit start to get it going. And now I'm going to hit air fry. I'm going to spin over to dehydrate. So I'm on dehydrate. And I'm going to adjust the time. I don't really know how much time I need. So since I'm not really certain about how much time I'll need, I've basically turned it out to the maximum amount of time that I can, which is about 10 hours. Maybe I'll need more, maybe I'll need less. But if I need more, I'll add more. But for the temperature, I'm going to adjust that up to 135. So I'm basically at 135 for 10 hours now. We'll see how this does, and we'll add more if needed. You know, if I get up in the morning and see that it needs more, I'll add more. I'll basically let you know how it goes, and you know, basically tell you how things turn out, you know, depending on the timing of when I can get to it and talk to you about it and all that good stuff. But basically I'm trying to do 135 for however long it takes. I'm thinking it could take up to 18 hours. It, you know, may not. But the cooker only goes up to 10 on dehydrate, so we'll let it run for its 10. We'll see what happens with that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start, and we'll just let things go. Okay, so I let things dehydrate at 135 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 hours. I did 10 hours, and then when I got up this morning, just after it stopped, I started it again, let it run another 8 hours. So I did 18 hours total. Got the light on so you can see things pretty well as I get them out. And here you can see the finished product. I don't want them all to slide down there, but that's the finished product. So I'm going to go ahead and get like a couple off. And you can hear they're pretty dry. So let's see, I'll get one more. Pretty dry. So you can basically dehydrate to your preference. But let's go ahead and do a taste test of these. So thank God for some dehydrated pineapple, and let's do a taste. I'll have another. Alright, this is like an all-natural, like pineapple candy. I mean, they're dehydrated, they've got some stiffness to them, tastes really good. I guess that sugar is really condensed because things are dehydrated. It's just like a pineapple candy, for real. But all natural, organic. So it was organic pineapple it all came from. So all turned out well. So the cooker is able to do dehydration really well. That little, I guess, thing that you put over the heating elements over the top there It's a pretty interesting little addition to put on when you're doing dehydration, but got the job done. Did a good job. And so it maxes out at 10 hours, which is kind of, you know, or 9 hours, 59 minutes, which is kind of a little lame, but you can add some more time. It does the job. So I hope that you did like the video. Nothing in this video is sponsored. In the video description, lots of ways to help the channel, such as cookbook, merch, membership, donations, link to the Amazon shop, also the blog superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can always check out a lot more there. And so you can, if you did like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification icon, and good eating.